In this video, I'll show you how to do a page break in Google Docs. So let's say we want to make a page break right here. Okay. After this, I want to do a page break. Let me go to remove that after the image, right? So click on insert here at the top panel. If you don't see this, you're probably in full screen mode. Okay. This is full screen mode. All you need to do is go ahead and press escape on your keyboard to get these control options, right? So click on insert and we see this option break. Hover over this and we get page break. Well, the shortcut for this is control plus enter on your keyboard. You can press this or you can click on this one as well. Look at this. We have just inserted a page break, so the new page will start after this image. And there you go, guys. That is how you do it.